Klansman gang trial. Alleged gang had source at Spanish Town police station. The alleged gangster pastor linked to the ONEDON gang has disclosed that the alleged gang has a police source at the Spanish Town police station in St. Catherine who provides the organization with information. Stephanie Christie told her cronies that among the information received were details about the police's private patrol car. Christie was heard today in one of the secret recordings telling the ex-gangster turned prosecution witness that the policeman raided respected reputed leader Andre Blackman Bryan and was a friend of her boyfriend. Her boyfriend is fellow defendant Fabian Crocs Johnson. Yeah man, I tell you, I have one police friend way down a CIB criminal investigation branch and him did kill a youth and dem tech him off frontline duty, tech him off the work completely but him win the case. But a Crocs friend way dead brethren. From a pin to an anchor him rate the B Blackman like dad, so any little ting him kinna show wi wagwan and sitten. A him mek we know even the red new car way come, she said while reciting the license plate number of the private police vehicle. The witness then remarked to Christie that it was a good thing that they had the cop on their side. Right, any little ting him tell me, him rate the hombre ting me I tell you, she said. Yeah man, keep the link with him, the witness added. Christie was then heard saying that the policeman also told her that Blackman was going to be released as the police did not have any information on the alleged Don, while adding that no one was going to come forward with any information.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember, if you like, share and subscribe. Boy, the more me listen to the ONEDON crew, yeah, them sound like the Three Stooges, but only thing are 33 of them. Like me say, Mama Christie, a big police Peggy, that girl there. And the man them are some of the brokest set of gangster me ever see. It just seemed like it was a clown thing. But even though them dangerous, it was like, it was comedic. It's like a cliche. Straight cliche with them, dog, because it looks comedic and sounds comedic, but these were some really dangerous, vicious killer. She used the police them fin farm. Remember, she gave up 2 rifles, you know. And she sent 2 policemen there for them shoot out with them one another. She grind Livity, and she grind another man, bad man, and she fuck crack. Killer crack away, one blood clot name. The man them have some serious name, me I tell you. And really and truly, like me say, she run the gang. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. And I have more video coming on ONEDON and the Ranko gang. I want to know watch the Ranko gang. Yo, it is very dangerous in Jamaica when you have so much things going on, especially with the police them. I'm out.